Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Notion app. First, you will need to create a new integration within your Notion workspace. This is done through the Notion Developer Portal, where you will name your integration and select its capabilities. Upon creation, you will receive a unique API key, often called a bearer token, which is essential for securely authenticating your application's requests. Remember to grant your integration explicit access to the specific pages or databases it needs to interact with. Next, focus on structuring your data within Notion. Databases are the cornerstone of any Notion app, allowing you to organize information effectively. You will design a database and add various properties to it, such as text for descriptions, numbers for quantities, dates for deadlines, or select options for categorization. These properties are crucial for organizing, filtering, and sorting your data, making it easily accessible and manageable for your application. Now, it is time to connect your application to Notion using the API. You will use the API key obtained earlier to authenticate your requests, typically by including it in the authorization header. Your application will send HTTP requests to specific Notion API endpoints to perform actions like querying databases, creating new pages, or updating existing entries. For developers, using Notion's official SDKs can simplify the process of constructing these API requests, saving you valuable development time. Finally, you can begin developing the core functionalities of your Notion app. This involves writing code to programmatically create, update, and retrieve content from your Notion workspace. You can build features such as automated notifications, synchronize data with other services, or create custom dashboards. Thoroughly test your application to ensure it interacts seamlessly with Notion. For public integrations, remember to consider user experience and security, especially regarding OAuth 2.0 authentication flows.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.